Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up your company settings in QuickBooks Online. Getting your company information configured correctly from the start ensures your invoices, reports, and financial documents display the right details and maintain professionalism across all your business communications. First, go ahead and open QuickBooks Online in your browser and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where all your financial data lives. Now look up to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings hub. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options organized into different columns. In that drop-down menu, locate the Your Company column and click on Account and Settings. This is where all your company configuration happens, from basic information to advanced preferences that control how QuickBooks behaves for your business. Once you're inside Account and Settings, you'll see a left sidebar with several tabs. Click on the Company tab. This is your central location for managing how your business appears in QuickBooks and on all documents you send to clients or vendors. You'll notice sections with an Edit button next to them. Start by clicking Edit next to your company name. Here you can enter both your legal name and a display name if they differ. Your legal name appears on tax forms, while your display name shows up on invoices and estimates. Fill these in as needed and click Save. Next, click Edit next to the company address field. Enter your complete business address here since this will appear on invoices and other official documents. Click Save when you're done. You'll want to do the same for your email, phone, and website details. Each of these fields has its own edit button, so go through them one by one, filling in the information and saving as you go. If you'd like to personalize things further, you can click the pencil icon in the bottom right corner of your company logo placeholder to upload your own logo. This adds a professional branded touch to all your customer-facing documents. Scroll down a bit and you'll see the industry field at the bottom of the company info section. Click Edit and choose the industry that best matches your business. QuickBooks uses this to customize certain features and reports to your specific business type. Continue scrolling down to the legal info section. This is where your legal business name, tax ID type, business type, and legal address are stored. These details are critical for tax reporting and compliance, so make sure they're accurate. You can edit any of these fields using the same Edit button approach. Once you've reviewed and updated all your company settings, click Done to save everything and return to your dashboard. Your QuickBooks account is now properly configured with your company information, making all future transactions and documents reflect your business accurately. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.